In 1997, scientists detected a sound so powerful it was heard across the entire Pacific Ocean. It didn't match earthquakes, it wasn't an explosion, and it wasn't human. Military systems went on alert. Researchers froze in silence. The signal was named the Bloop. Some believed it came from massive ice fractures deep below the sea. Others whispered something far more disturbing. Whatever created it was never seen. The sound never returned, but the ocean still remembers, and most of it remains unexplored.
Subscribe and time travel with us. One epic moment every single day.